Um, Welcome to a Montana snowstorm. This is called stinking cottonwood trees. I hate them. Look at this, it's everywhere. Oh, there goes Dakota Louise. Hi, Dakota Louise. You're in the snowstorm. It's cotton. See it on the ground? It's hellish. It's getting everywhere. My little Dakota likes to try to catch it. You see it on the ground over there? It looks like it snowed. I hate this stuff. I hate it. And so now I want to get over here so we can go look up in the tree. Ah! See it on the ground? Look at this. Look at this! Ah! Oh, but the good news is it's almost all out of the tree. Come on, get out, go away, goodbye. Hi, Chico. Are you in the snowstorm? Dakota Louise? Okay. Bye for now.